Dude, and that's only on the minimum setting. Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be unboxing and going through the setup process on the Galaxy Buds Plus. These are the red variants. They come in 2 or 3 different colors. I got that as part of my Samsung credit when I bought the Galaxy S20 Plus, which I think they retail for $150. You can pick these up at any major retailer. I got these on Shop Samsung, but I believe they're available at Best Buy, Target, Amazon, etc. So just looking at the box, here's the back side of it. And barcodes on the bottom, and not much to it. My kid-proof scissors here, so I don't cut myself. You can see there's a informational brochure in here. This guy, oh my gosh, these look fantastic. Well, take out the box first. Wow. These are actually really nice. It looks, let me just slide this off. It's a deeper red than what you see in the brochure, which I actually really like this. These, like the color on here, I was like, that's red, that's cool, but this was a little too bright. This is a pleasant surprise. This is a little bit of a darker red, almost like a burnt orange. It's nice and glossy. Check that out. That is awesome. Oh, these are really light. They added another microphone to enhance the noise cancellation for the microphone. So you have one out here. I don't know if you guys can see that in the video. There's a microphone out here for ambient sound, and then this here as well. So you get twice the noise reduction, I should say, not cancellation. So obviously the charge cable, but they do have wireless charging. It looks like it comes in a pair of, oh, this is strange. So I guess you replace the actual piece that goes in your ear, and then this wingtip piece as well that kind of holds it in your ear here. So there's different combinations you can pick from. I would guess that the mediums are already on here, and then you can go a size smaller or larger. What's nice is, let's say this piece of your ear is larger, so you need to go with the larger piece, but the actual canal is small, you can swap that out. Whereas some, like the Jaybird Vistas or some of the other ones, it's one piece. So you get this, if this is bigger, you also have to get the fit for the piece that actually goes inside your ear is also bigger. So that's actually cool. Galaxy Wear app. Then I'm gonna press the Galaxy Buds. It's gonna ask me for permissions. There we go, found him now. Wow, that was actually pretty cool. Okay, here we go. Pops up a little message. Tells you the battery. How do we get that back? And it gives you a battery status here. So it tells you the battery level of the case, and then left and right earbuds. You can turn on the ambient sound, and then the equalizer settings. You can customize the notifications. You can select which apps to get notifications from. You can also set it to read the messages out loud or notifications out loud. Touchpad settings, so you can pause or resume a track by tapping on it once. Double tap will play the next track or answer and end the call. Triple tap will go to the previous track. Those are pretty standard across different Bluetooth devices, which is nice. So you don't have to keep guessing like what the button combination is. The touch and hold is user choice, which you can change in the settings, but by default it's decline call. You can specify what holding on the left one will do versus the right one. So you can have it launch Spotify, for instance. So I'm gonna set that to launch Spotify and we'll try it out. Looks like there is an update, so I'm gonna update these and I'll be right back. It's saying to keep the case open while it updates. So we'll do that. Ambient sound, you can enable that if you're going out for a run or if you want to be aware of your surroundings. That's a great feature to have, so you're aware of what's going on around you and you're not completely isolated from the world. And then you can charge your case from your phone. There's a little LED light at the bottom here. Okay, for the moment of truth here, I'm going to go ahead and install these in my ears. So you have right and left. It's labeled so you can see which side needs to go where. Oh wow, that is an amazing fit. I'm gonna press and hold, see if it launches Spotify. Okay, let's try this. It worked. Wow, these actually sound really good. Single tap, pause, single tap will resume. Double tap will go to the next song. Triple tap will go back to the previous one. There we go. Long press. Okay, long press like launched a different playlist, which is weird. The bass response is really good. I'm gonna try the ambient feature by scrumpling this up to see how well it sounds. Oh. Dude. Oh my gosh. And that's only on the minimum setting. These are like hearing aids. Oh, this is awesome. I wish you guys could hear this. I'm gonna pause the music here to see if it's actually louder. Yeah, it's actually a little bit louder than my bare ear. So if you need ambient sound, these are probably the best ambient sound ones that I've ever tested. Wow. So if you have mild hearing loss, like these might actually just work instead of paying a few $1,000s for a piece app. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification. With that being said, I'll catch you guys next time. Peace. This is a quick demo of wireless charging. So there's a LED light on the back here to let you know when it's charging. I'm gonna place it on the back of my phone here. Phone beeped that is sending power to a device, and you can see that there's a light for charging on the Galaxy Buds Plus.